Hello everyone, today I am going to explain in the HackerRank SQL basic select by ID. In the previous lecture I have explained select all. Now here in this I am solving this problem select by ID. So now see the question, query all the columns for a city in the city table with the ID 1661. So here it is your city table. In this columns are ID, name, country code, district and population. So here select all the columns, all the fields. So for this case select select all the column means here it is a star. Select star. From which table? The table name is, a star indicates this all the columns, all the fields. So from the city table. So now here with id is 1661. So that is where 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 id is equals to 1661 and it is terminated by semicolon. So now here this is your queries. Query all the columns, that is a star, select star from city where id equals to 1661. So now run this code. So now it is executed and now submit this code. I hope this problem is clear to you. If you still have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section below. I will answer to your queries. Thank you very much to you all.